Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractice131.
Math Practice number 131. Okay, so you're not feeling too well today, right?
Yeah.
Got a little bit of a cold?
Yeah.
Alright, so I thought we would do a little review before jumping into the next section of Beast Academy, because the next section is learning how to square numbers that are multiples of 5.
Ooh.
But if we're going to learn how to square numbers that are multiples of 5, we may as well talk about perfect squares first.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does it mean to be a perfect square? What kind of number is a perfect square?
It's a number multiplied by itself.
Okay, so we take a number and we multiply it by itself. So for example, 1 times 1 is?
It's just 1.
1 times 1 is 1. Okay, great. What's 2 times 2?
4.
4. Can you write a better 4 than that for me? Oh, that's a great 4. Okay, 3 times 3 is?
9.
9. 4 times 4 is?
16.
Nice. 5 times 5 is?
25.
6 times 6 is?
36.
7 times 7 is?
49.
49. 8 times 8 is?
64.
9 times 9 is?
81.
And 10 times 10 is?
Is 100.
100. Okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so it sounds like you know some of your perfect squares pretty well, right?
Yeah.
And do you remember the other day with our duplo blocks, we said we could make a big square, and I think we did 3 and 4. I'm going to drop this, I guess I'll do 4 and 3. Four, 3. I'm not drawing this too well, am I? And we made this picture with duplo blocks. So this was a 4 by 4 square.
Mm-hmm.
This was a 4 by 3 rectangle. This was a 4 by 3 rectangle, and this was a 3 by 3 square. Do you remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so we said 7.
Actually, this was a 3 by 4.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. That's probably a better way to write it. 3 by 4. Okay, good catch. Good catch. So we said 7 squared, because 4 plus 3 is 7, which is what? What's 7 squared?
It's 49.
49. This equals 4 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 3 times 4. 4 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 3 times 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we're going to learn a trick with 5s in this.
Yeah.
All right? Because this isn't too easy to understand, right? You have to do a lot of math to make this add up.
Yeah.
But there's a neat trick when the small number is a 5. So let's just take a quick look at that, and then we'll talk more about it next week. Okay? And then hopefully you'll be feeling better by then. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's do 15 squared this way. 10, 5, 10, 5. So this is going to be 10 by 10. This is going to be 5 by 10, or 10 by 5, whatever, however you want to say it.
Yeah.
This is going to be, do you want to say, call this 5 by 10 or 5 by 5, or 10 by 5?
10 by 5. And maybe
5 by 5. Okay, so we get 10 squared. So this is 15 squared, right? 10 plus 5 squared. And we don't know what that equals, right?
No.
Unless you do you?
No.
No? Okay. That's fine. Well, it equals 10 squared, which is 100, plus 5 squared,
It's 25.
which is 25, plus 5 times 10,
It's
plus
50.
10 times 5. Now these are the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So 5 times 10 and 10 times 5 are both equal to?
50.
They're both equal to 50, so these add up to 100.
Yeah.
So this here I get 100. What's 10 squared?
Is 100. 5 squared is 25.
So what's my answer here?
It's 225.
225. That's pretty neat. And we could do this with just about any number.
Yeah.
But it works well for 15 squared, and we're going to learn about 25 squared and 35 squared all the way down. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sound fun?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Good job with your squares. Sorry you're not feeling too well today, but that was a great movie.